Hi, I am Karen Robinovitz. I am an entrepreneur and the co-founder of Sloomoo Institute, which is a slime experience in 5 cities across the country. Welcome to my home in Williamsburg, Brooklyn. My sense of design is artful, playful, and colorful, and the impact is all about lifting your mood. So that starts the minute you walk into the house. You're greeted in the entry by the yellow epoxy balloon chair. It's paired with a shaker rug in muted blue and green, and then you juxtapose it with a pop of E.T. and Xanax. We are in the TV room, and this is my favorite spot in the house. You will see here 2 magenta 70s chairs that are vintage. Sitting on one of the chairs is a stuffed sloth and a baby Yoda. When I see them cuddling, it feels like home. So I love the windows because we're bathed in natural light, but we also want privacy. So we built a little ledge of plants that my husband is responsible for. He's the primary caregiver. The coffee table is baby blue because it's an unexpected color in this room and has slimy little curves that I love. Slime is a recurring theme in the house. I am obsessed with contemporary art by and about women, so you can see it all over the room. And you will see throughout the house that there is a dialogue between art, design, and fashion. I see you're wearing your vegetables. You are so cheesy. Welcome to the dining room, living room, and open kitchen. This is what I call the big ass dining room table. And you see all those curvy, slimy lines, and it literally feels like glass. This room, like all of the rooms, is about the art. The 3D printed man, also moving in a slimy way. And then what my husband would say is the best thing in the house, his whiskey collection. Because the living room and the dining room are one open space, it's really about the dialogue. So the big ass dining table gets to look at the gorgeous curved sofa. And I kept everything in neutral tones so that, again, the art is what stands out and nothing is fighting. That's subtle. Welcome to my closet. So this is the culmination of about 30 years of collecting. There's some signature iconic moments in here, like this shoe, which is made of all balloons. It actually smells like balloons, and there's a little heel. When we first found this home, the second I saw this room, it was a bedroom, and I said, we don't have young kids here. This has to be my closet. I thought about every single thing when I designed this room, which I wanted to make for my little inner 7-year-old and give her her girl dream. Being here really makes me happy. Someone's ready for bed. Always. Welcome to my bedroom. I really wanted to keep the bedroom simple, but beautiful. We kept the palette really muted and soft, curated it with art, and the pieces in the room also have a soft meaning to it. The little unexpected twist is the side tables, which are a baby blue color, and they're trimmed with freshwater pearls. This is the place where we sleep. It is our sanctuary. I could really sit in here sometimes for hours and just enjoy the beautiful light and the art. I believe home is about an expression of personal style. For me, that's my love of art, design, fashion, and slime. So thank you so much for visiting.
Can't get enough of these breathtaking homes? Hit that subscribe button for more open house coming your way.